Well, guys, I'm back from Naches. We had a great time camping with our friends and our family over the last weekend. I apologize for the quality of this video. I had no intention of making a video. It was just going to be a family trip and with friends and everything, and just go forward and relax. But my wife got a lot of pretty good video of me doing some stuff and my friends doing stuff. So I wanted to share it with you guys because I have not been to Naches since my Jeep was on 35-inch tires, might have been 33s, and a Dana 30 and a Dana 35. So it has been many years, and I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to be able to get a chance to go back. Hopefully next year. It'll continue to be a thing that I do every year. So this was just video that my wife shot with her cell phone. So I do apologize for the wind noise. I thought I would share it anyways. And if you're watching it, we really appreciate you. Make sure you check out our website, muddybeards4x4.com. You can click the link in the description. We got a bunch of discount codes for our subscribers. You can also buy shirts, stickers, stuff like that on our website. Link is in the description. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.